up. So guys, musikat.
Sikat. Hapay. Ikaw.
Oh.
Ha? Nawa.
Ah. Yeah, so guys, I'm here at Taytay Hills. Dito ako sa Taytay. Ito po yung view na makikita nyo po dito. Nice.
Ha? Oh.
Yes, hello Ray Trippers and friends. Welcome to Baguio. Welcome to Baguio, guys. No, it's Taytay. Taytay Hills 101. It's Taytay 101, guys. I want you to see this. Check this out, people. Yes, Ray Trippers and friends, kanindot oh. Pag kanindot. Lami kay ambak ano no. Unsa na? Unsa na? Basak? Ah, basak dira. Mo dira basak. Karon ba ko kakitag basak kana day basak di ay karon pa ko kitag basak.
Nana, pawis, anak.
Asa ba ni mo na? Tay basak sa ubos to ah.
Papa, kita ko.
Okay, guys, kana nga mga basak nakita ninyo guys. Dili na to guys ha.
Anak.
Hey guys, if you want to check the Chocolate Hills, the perfect place to view it is from here. At the Taytay 101. Taytay 101. Welcome to Taytay 101, guys. So, guys, let's have a house tour here at Taytay 101. So, this is one of their mountain villas. It's triangular in design. Naka-triangulo po siya. Tatsulok po. Habang may tatsulok, lahat sila ay nasa tuktok. Di matatapos itong gulo. Welcome to Taytay 101. So guys, this is the balcony area. And once you're here, you'll be able to see the Chocolate Hills. This is one of the perfect units here at Taytay 101. Sige, mawanan 3 to 5 years ka, bungkag yun.
Papa, nay mo pa ha. Tanuwa, nay beach. Tuwa.
Chocolate Hills. Bye bye. Till we meet again, doggy. Yes guys, it's almost sunset here at the Taytay Hills. Probably in 3 hours, but we're already going down. Thank you, Taytay 101. I just want to say goodbye to the dog. Bye doggy. Bye bye. Hey Ray Trippers, we're leaving Taytay. Taytay 101.
Kauran nagpupulimite dahil.
Yes, these are palm trees. for a palm oil. Magsunod ba? Huwag ka nang... Guys, this is the kind of dirt road you have to go through before coming up to Tai Tai Hills. Kaya mo ah? Ah. Oh. Yawa Sasuke ah. Sasuke? Tuh man sa.